Hello my dear students, welcome back to the grammar lesson, the second part of chapter 5, gender. In the last class we had learned that gender in English is of four kinds, that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Now in this part of gender we are going to learn about the formation of feminine genders from masculine genders. After learning about the four kinds of genders, we now learn the different rules for forming the feminine genders. Rule 1. By adding the suffix ess to the masculine nouns. Sometimes the spellings may have to be slightly changed before adding ess. Now we can see in the examples, we have two columns, masculine and feminine genders. In the first column, masculine, host. Now, in order to make it a feminine gender, we will add the syllable ess. Ess means S. Host, hostess. You can see in red, I have added ess. Lion, lioness. Waiter, waitress. Now girls, you can see why I have written waiter, waitress, waiter in brown color. This is because in waiter, actor and many other such words, there will be a slight change in the spelling. We can see that we have dropped E from waiter to make it waitress. We have dropped O from actor to make it actress. Rule 2. Feminine gender of many nouns are formed differently, like by making some changes in the words. Now we can see here are some words in which we have to make some changes in the words. They are not uniform changes. Like hero became heroine. We have added ine. Now here widower. Widower, we have deleted er from widower to make it widow. A man who has lost his wife or the wife is dead, no more in this world, is called a widower, while a widow is a lady whose husband is no more in this world. Bridegroom. Bridegroom, we have removed groom from the word bridegroom to make it a feminine gender, bride. Similarly, there are different nouns in which we have to make some changes to change it into feminine gender. Rule 3. Feminine names of some compound nouns are formed by replacing the part of the noun which is gender specific. Now, compound nouns, those words which are made up of two or more different words. For example, you can see in masculine gender, I have written headmaster. The feminine is headmistress. Now here we can see the two words are head and master. Head is common in both, but master denotes the male gender, masculine part. So we have replaced master with mistress. Then we get it headmaster, headmistress. Similarly, landlord, landlady. Lord part of this compound word is replaced with lady. Grandfather, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Rule 4. By using an entirely different word, we can find the feminine gender of many masculine nouns. Now we can see masculine, we have brother. Feminine is sister. Bull, cow. Nephew, niece. Sir, madam. Horse, mare. Now there are different other nouns for which you have to learn the genders. There is no specific rule for forming the feminine gender of these masculine words. There can be different words like bachelor, maid, boy, girl, colt, filly, gentleman, lady, horse, mare, husband, wife, king, queen, madam, uncle, aunt. We have already explained other words also. So you can just practice it by learning it yourselves. There is no rule, dear children, to tell you that every word will follow a certain rule to make it a feminine gender. This is all about the topic gender in class 4, dear students. We shall now do the exercises given in the textbook, that is exercises A, B and C on pages 22, 23 and 24 respectively. You will do this work according to the instructions given in a separate video or in a separate text message. It is not that you have to do all the work today itself, dear children. You take your time and do it as per your convenience. But all the work in grammar you will do in your grammar book until and unless I ask you to do it in your grammar copy. That's all for today. Thank you, my dear students. Have a great day.